Here's how you can get a discount on Hostinger in April 2025. If you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, you're in luck. We've got an exclusive discount just for you on hosting plans, which makes it the perfect time to launch your website or upgrade your current hosting at a fraction of the price. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Hostinger? Hostinger is a top-rated web hosting provider known for its affordable plans, high performance, and amazing customer support. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, Hostinger offers hosting solutions tailored to your needs, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. With a reputation for reliability and speed, it's no wonder millions of users trust Hostinger for their websites. If you want to get this exclusive offer, just click the link in the description below. We're going to go ahead and click Claim Deal. From here, they've got a couple of different plan options for you. So already just by using our link, you can save up to 75%, but I'm going to show you how you can get an extra 10% off as well. So first we need to choose what plan we would like. So they've got the premium, the business, and the cloud startup. The premium plan right now you can save 75% off, which brings it to $299 per month for a 48-month term, plus you get 3 months free. So with this, you get 25 websites, a certain amount of monthly visits, unlimited free SSL, 50 mailboxes for the year, weekly backups, free domain. Next is the business plan, and you can save 71%, which brings it to just $3.99 per month for a 48-month term, plus 3 months free. With this plan, you get more websites, more monthly visits, and everything else that's included in the premium plan, but you also get the free CDN. Lastly is the cloud startup plan, which is $7.99, and right now that's saving you 71% plus the 3 months free. So you get 100 websites, you get even more monthly visits, everything that's included in the business plan, but you also get WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging, dedicated IP, and priority support. So once you have decided which plan you want, we'll go ahead and click choose plan. From here, make sure you click have a coupon code. We will type in my first website and apply, and you will save an extra 10%. And again, I just wanted to point this out too, depending on the period of time you sign up for, depends on how much you save. If you want to save the most, I highly recommend signing up with the 48-month plan. And then all you have to do is continue to check out, and you can enter in all of your payment information, set up a login, and you're good to go. But again, make sure you use that link in the description and then type in code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. I just wanted to mention too that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This just helps us continue to create high quality content. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.